expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
जान आप सभी लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है हमारा ड्राइव टाइम मतलब प्राइम टाइम शो पे एंड ऑफ कोर्स टुडे बदलजान रेडियो डी हॉटीज एक्चुअली हैज अ वेरी स्पेशल फीचर फॉर यू गाइस एंड आज का फीचर जो है इज समथिंग वेरी क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट्स इन फैक्ट एवरीबॉडीज हार्ट फॉर द मैटर एंड आज हमारे स्टूडियो में वी हैव अ स्पेशल गेस्ट वी आल्सो हैव वी हैव वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग शो फॉर गेस्ट टुडे आज हमारे शो पे वी एक्चुअली गोना बी डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ अवेयरनेस बिल्डिंग फॉर वन अ नॉन प्रॉफिट कॉल्ड एज Saloni Heart Foundation, and we will talk more about that for sure. But first of all, let us first welcome you, and you might see Faltwani busy trying to get people to start logging on Facebook and everything. So definitely it's actually going live on Facebook as well. So Facebook जाके check कीजिएगा Radio D Hotties पे the stream is going live, and this actually also will be kind of a fundraiser I would say for this wonderful organization called Saloni Heart Foundation. उसके बारे में बात करेंगे but first of all let's go and welcome one of the founders and chairperson of Saloni Heart Foundation. Hi, how are you doing, Miliji? How's everything?
Everything is very good.
Thank you so much. In fact, this is a very special show for us. We get to learn more about Saloni Heart Foundation. Also, at the same time, we will get to listen to some of our Bay Area local artists as well. So we'll come to you in a few minutes for sure. Thank you so much for that. And of course, Baljan, now if you want to join us, it's very simple. Right? You can always listen to us on Facebook. Facebook is of course there, and you can also chime in today on the show, right?
Actually, you can tune in to 1310 a.m. Madhujan, or if you're in the San Leandro Hayward areas, you can listen to us on the 92.9 FM on Radio Mirchi. And also, if you download the Radio D Hotties app, you can listen to us live on the Radio D Hotties app. वैसे हमें देख भी सकते हैं जो हमारे performers हैं उनको perform करते हुए देख भी सकते हैं for Saloni Heart Foundation today, right here on Facebook, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties, or on the Saloni Heart Foundation page. You might be able to watch us right now as well.
And Abhi ke liye Baljan, we have a special message from one of the, I would say, a mentor and also a support for Saloni Heart Foundation. Please stay tuned. And this actually is, actually the recording itself has information on it, Baljan. This is Murli ji, who we all know. So listen to this. We will come back to you after this quick recording.
Dear all, this is Murli here. First of all, thanks to Radio D Hotties for this great opportunity. Appreciate it. And kudos to Mrinalini and Himanshu. In spite of a tragedy in their life where they lost their beautiful 13-year-old daughter Saloni, they are trying to help others who are in the similar situation by sharing their knowledge, their resources, raising funds. That's the beauty of life. So what a beautiful transformation is happening. They are converting their experience into helping others. So I'll be singing parts of two songs. I don't want to take up too much time. It's basically dedicated to people like Mrinalini and Himanshu who are working for others. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। I consider myself very fortunate and lucky in life, first of all for getting this opportunity to start Sankara Eye Foundation back in the year 1998. Many such golden opportunities came my way. One is at the inauguration of the Anand Gujarat Hospital in 2008. Which was inaugurated by our then Chief Minister Narendra Modi. The person who was going to sing invocation did not come, so that turned out to be my opportunity. I sang this in front of Narendra Modi ji, Sankaracharya and others. Vaishnava jana to tene kahiye je, pida parai jane re, par dukhe upakar kare to ye मन अभिमान ना आने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे। सकल लोक मा सहुने वंदे, निंदा न करे के नीरे, वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे, धन धन जननी तेनी रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, पेड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना आने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे। He or she is a Vaishnava who helps others and doesn't become proud of his helping. Saloni Heart Foundation is doing an amazing job, and we know them very well. I can see the transformation happening in both of them. What a positive way of converting their agony into helping others. Please go all out, whatever you can afford, help them. Satisfaction guaranteed, and you can trust them wholeheartedly. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity. Bye.
Badhujan, you're listening to a special dedication show for Saloni Heart Foundation right here on Radio Dehoties. So without any further ado, we're going to kick off tonight's musical extravaganza by introducing our first singer, that is Indira Iyer. Indira ji is a professional of the semiconductor software industry right here in the Bay Area. She's also trained in Hindustani classical music and has performed with several local bands. So here is Indira Iyer. And for those of you who
चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम उन फिजाओं में जहाँ मीठा नशा है तारों के छाँव में चलो चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम फिजाओं में गाती सरसराती इन हवाओं संग आओ पास मेरे आओ ना सपनों का सफर है मेरा दिल का ये सफर है इसमें डूब जाओ ना जरा सा तन्हा छुपा था अब मिल गया मीठा जहाँ नशा है तारों के छाँव में चलो तुमको लेकर चले हम फिजाओं में
And of course, Baja, what a wonderful song, and so descriptive of the journey we're going to take people on, right? Today is a journey we're taking you on, a musical journey, I should say, and there's all these performers are local Bay Area performers, Baja, and of course, wonderful performance by Indira ji. The next performer also is very interesting. His name is Menon Ramakrishna. He's a passionate music lover, by the way. He himself is an accomplished writer and composer. And guess what? His voice, if you listen to it, it kind of has a blend of Yesudas and Rafi, actually. It's very interesting.
Wow.
So we will listen to that, Banujan, but of course, let me tell you what's happening right now. We have a special feature presentation for you guys for this organization called Saloni Heart Foundation. It's a one-of-a-kind presentation. We're trying to get some awareness about what they do. We are going to talk to the co-founder who's in our studio today. We'll talk about that for sure. But at the same time, many people coming together, bandhus like you and I coming together and putting this show together for this particular Heart Foundation, Saloni Heart Foundation. If you want to get more information, go to the website saloniheartfoundation.org. And right now, we're going to go and listen to one of the songs which we have from
Menon Ramakrishna ji. And in the meanwhile, if you'd like to listen to it and you're sitting in your car, you have to go somewhere, it's okay. Get in your car and you can tune in to 1310 AM or 92.9 FM and listen to his beautiful performance.
कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की बहुत खूबसूरत, हर बहुत खूबसूरत मगर सांवली सी बहुत खूबसूरत मुझे अपने ख्वाबों की बाहों में पाकर कभी नींद में मुस्कुराती तो होगी उसी नींद में कसमसा कर सराहने से तकिए गिराती तो होगी कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की वही ख्वाब दिन की मुंडेरों पे आके उसे मन ही मन में लुभाते तो होंगे कई साज सीने की खामोशियों में मेरी याद से झंझनाते तो होंगे वो बेसाख्ता धीमे धीमे सुनों में मेरी धुन में कुछ गुनगुनाती तो होगी कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की चलो खत लिखे जी में आता तो होगा मगर उंगलियां कप कपाती तो होंगी कलम हाथ से छूट जाता तो होगा मंगे कलम फिर उठाती तो होंगी मेरा नाम अपनी किताबों पे लिख कर वो दांतों में उंगली दबाती तो होगी कहीं एक मासूम नाजुक सी लड़की
What uber romantic songs, and yes, it's all matter of the heart, Father, right? It's true.
Exactly.
Yeah. And yes, let's. Badhujan, I tell you, we told you this special show is for building awareness about this wonderful organization called Saloni Heart Foundation. You can get more information on the website saloniheartfoundation.org for sure. And I would urge, if at all you're liking the program today, it actually is also a fundraiser drive for them as well.
Right.
So if you want to donate, go to the website and donate from there. Or on this post, we have actually given a small URL for the PayPal, which you can donate to there as well. So go do it, whatever you can. You can raise some funds for it for sure. But today we do have with us in the studio, as I told you, one of the co-founders of Saloni Heart Foundation. So let's quickly jump back and welcome Millie back in the studio. Hi Millie, how are you doing again? Wonderful songs. Have you enjoyed the song? Are you enjoying the songs first of all?
Yes.
Do you
I'm
sing
enjoying
as well?
the entire experience. No, I've left the good things for better people.
Well, you do a great job, I should say this. So, I just want to know, Saloni Heart Foundation, what exactly does Saloni Heart Foundation do? Can you give a little bit for people who are listening right now and wondering, what exactly happens? Is it an organization locally? Is it international? Thoda insight देंगे इसके ऊपर?
Absolutely. So Saloni Heart Foundation is formed in Bay Area, but it is providing service and support for patient families in India. And before I explain you what we do, let me explain you the magnitude of the problem. As per a recent research by All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, in India, every year 9 out of 1,000 children, that's about 200,000 children, are born with congenital heart defect. And out of these, 1/5, that means about 40,000, have serious heart defect that need treatment within the first year.
Wow.
Sadly, around 10,000 get treated. So that is about 30,000 children do not see their first birthday.
Wow. Wow.
And besides premature deaths, the children suffering from heart disease struggle to live a normal life. They can't play, run, eat, sleep, or enjoy like other children. Would you believe in India, one cardiac center serves 16 million people? Just because we have only 130 cardiac surgeons and 110 pediatric cardiologists in the entire country. Moreover, the adult surgeons regularly perform surgeries on children without being trained for pediatric cardiac surgeries. So that brings us to your question, what does Saloni Heart Foundation do?
Okay.
So Saloni Heart Foundation helps children with congenital heart disease in India by providing free and unbiased second opinion from the world's best pediatric cardiologists and cardiothoracic surgeons from hospitals like Stanford, UCSF, Washington, D.C., and Philadelphia Children's Hospital. We also enable doctors from India to learn skills from the world's best pediatric cardiothoracic surgeons and cardiologists so that children in India can get the world's best care. So my appeal, my urge to you is, if you know a family or parent in India whose child is suffering from any heart problem, please connect them to us.
Wonderful. In fact, I think what you're doing is excellent, because I think when somebody gets a diagnosis of something like this, right, parents seldom know what to do. I don't know, what has your experience been on this? Because I think when you require to have a second opinion, but where do you go for second opinion, right? Isn't that the question always?
Always.
So my question is, does that mean that you, Saloni Heart Foundation, actually gives people the connects to multiple doctors from around the world?
Yes.
That's great. That's great. And you going to say something?
Yeah, I wanted to ask you. I was going to say Saloni ji, but it kind of is resonating the same thing with you, right? So I was going to ask you, Millie ji, ki, what was it that inspired you to start Saloni Heart Foundation? But we'll come back to that.
Yes, we'll come back to that question for sure. But right now, I have a bunch of songs for you guys. In fact, I have one of our other bandhus of, Saloni himself and Saloni Heart Foundation, who's actually sent us a wonderful song. We'll listen to the song. We'll come back and we'll take this question in just a few minutes. And yes, if at all you want to know more about what is going on air right now, go to the website saloniheartfoundation.org, and you can check out the information. About Saloni Heart Foundation, also how we can support this organization. And as you know, this is more of a fundraiser drive for you guys on air. So if you feel the urge to donate to this organization, do it. They can go to the Facebook page and you can donate from there as well. But Abhi ke liye Bajan, let's listen to this wonderful song from one of the friends, I should say, or family friends of Saloni Heart Foundation. This is Radhika ji, and here.
Hello, I'm Radhika, and I'm dedicating this song to our Nanni Pari Saloni in support of the Saloni Heart Foundation, whose mission is to give hope and help to children suffering from heart disease. I'm an amateur vocalist, living and working in the Valley, and most of all, a mom with a passion to improve children's lives through education and health. I cannot imagine a life without music, and this is my small contribution to a huge cause. So please support the Saloni Heart Foundation. We need you.
बिछड़े अभी तो हम बस कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों मौत न आई तेरी याद क्यों आई हाय लंबी जुदाई जुदाई 4 दिनों दा प्यार ओ रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई लंबी जुदाई एक तो सजन मेरे पास नहीं रे दूजे मिलन दी कोई आस नहीं रे दूजे मिलन दी कोई आस नहीं रे उस पे ये सावन आया उस पे ये सावन आया आग लगाई है लंबी जुदाई 4 दिनों दा प्यार ओ रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई लंबी जुदाई
And Biljan, those of you who are just tuning in and who are watching us on Facebook, who are listening to us on the Radio Rihadis app, आज का show एक special dedication show है for this wonderful organization called Saloni Heart Foundation. It's a fairly new organization that just started less than about a year ago, and we have the founder of Saloni Heart Foundation, one of the co-founders of Saloni Heart Foundation, Millie G, who's joining us live right here in the studios to talk to us a little bit about the organization and also to tell us her personal story. So I was really curious and I really want to know, Millie G, please do share for the benefit of all our bandhus and also for us as to what inspired you to start Saloni Heart Foundation.
Thanks, Kavita. So for those of you who've just joined in, I am known as Millie, but my name is Mrinalini. And we started Saloni Heart Foundation after losing our daughter Saloni. She was 13. Just like your son or daughter, Saloni was the apple of our eye. She was lovable, full of energy, life, very naughty. She had a very strong willpower and never give up attitude of life. She had a long list of future plans. She wanted to buy a red Ferrari, a big house. She was very inspired by her doctor and lifesaver, Dr. V.M. Reddy, and was very ambitious. She wanted to study in Stanford and become a cardiothoracic surgeon, especially for children. Her dream was cut short. But we are living her dream through other children. These children are from underprivileged parts of India, but they are very hardworking and brilliant children who aspire to study medicine. Saloni Heart Foundation provides scholarships to such deserving scholars for entire 5 years MBBS program. We started our first scholarship with Krishna Mohanty from Odisha last year.
So, thank you for sharing. I know it's very hard when it's something that's so close to your heart as your own child. But you know what? You shared that she was brave, and I mean, it's just incredible. We see where she gets it from, and you know, it's wonderful that you're carrying her legacy to support many other children from, you know, the lack of proper treatment, I guess, or the lack of proper advice when it comes to their cardiac health. But let me ask you, Millie ji, if you were to describe Saloni in one word, what would it be?
One word.
Yeah.
Dawn.
Dawn.
Hi there, I'm Sanjay Subramanian. It's my privilege to be a part of this fundraiser through the medium of music, which I love. Please donate generously to the cause at www.saloniheartfoundation.org. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoy the show.
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ डॉन मैं हूँ डॉन मैं हूँ डॉन अरे तुमने जो देखा है सोचा है समझा है जाना है वो मैं नहीं लोगों की नजरों ने मुझको यहाँ जो भी माना है वो मैं नहीं आवारा बादल को सौदाई पागल को दुनिया ने समझा है कौन अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो जरा पहचानो मैं हूँ डॉन अरे यारों का वो यार हूँ यारी में ये जान लुटा दे जो मैं हूँ वही दुश्मन का दुश्मन हूँ वो दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे जो मैं हूँ वही तुम जानो ना जानो मैंने तो जाना है महफिल में कैसा है कौन अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो जरा पहचानो मैं हूँ डॉन
Wow, that's awesome. And yes, I think that's wonderful that you describe her. Many people actually posting on Facebook also asking us, sharing their comments. In fact, what we're going to do right now is we're also going to leave the lines open. You guys can give us a call here if you wanted to say a few words, if you wanted about Saloni or about the foundation. And if you want to take a pledge online, why not, right? On air, give us a call here. You can pledge as well. Number is 408-912-2479. We have the volunteers of Saloni Heart Foundation in the studio, and they can also field your calls for sure. You were saying something, Fatrani?
Well, Banujan, what a beautiful way to describe Saloni. I can almost imagine her dancing to this song right now, wherever she is.
God bless.
God bless. And of course, for those of you who are listening to this, it's a very poignant show, Banujan. I know we're all laughing and we're smiling, and this is a really fun song. But to think about the strength of character of this particular child and how she still continues, like her mother just shared with us during the break, music, how she still continues to make people work for her even in her absence is incredible. We just have one thing that we want to share with you, and the founders of Saloni Heart Foundation, Miliji and Himanshuji, they want to share with you is that if you know of children who are, afflicted with any form of heart disease in India, you definitely want to refer them to the Saloni Heart Foundation. This could be anybody in your vicinity, in your circles, social circles. It could be even amongst people that are, some of the underprivileged communities too that you may be aware of who might be having heart issues. So please refer them to the Saloni Heart Foundation. The website is saloniheartfoundation.org, SALONI heartfoundation.org. If you're somebody who wants to donate to the cause or wants to volunteer with this particular organization, you most definitely can look up that information on SALONI heartfoundation.org. That's Saloni heartfoundation.org.
Thank you, Muliji. I just saw your comment on Facebook. It's going to go on our Facebook page as well.
So here's what we're going to do now, Bandajan, is that we're going to move into another beautiful singer and a beautiful song sung by Srimati Suparna Dangi, who is a Hindustani classical vocalist, and she's also a music teacher. She's a Sangeet Visharad from the Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, and she holds a master's in fine arts in music from Mumbai University. So here is Suparna Dangi ji.
अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जग पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से। अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम।
What a beautiful song. Ajeeb Dasta hai. Very true. In fact, Faltwani, don't you feel it's like a something, these kind of things just happen. It takes its shape. People like, Saloni ji, with like Miliji and Himanshu, they come together, they do wonderful things for people. And thank you so much, everybody who's sending those wishes on Facebook. Please feel free, if at all you feel the urge to donate right now. I would suggest people listening to us in the radio. And if you're wondering how do I spell the foundation name, it's very simple. Saloni, SALONI Heart, as in HEART, foundation.org, not com. It's ORG. SaloniHeartFoundation.org. This is a special show. We are actually doing this to get attention to what Saloni Heart Foundation does. It's a very important thing, because when somebody gets a diagnosis of their child having congenital heart condition, it's finding information, finding answers to the questions many people don't have answers to. It's so hard, and it's such a specialized field. It'll just make you, some people really they work really hard on that. In fact, that's a story which Millie G shared with us, who is a co-founder of Saloni Heart Foundation, about this thing. I would urge you guys to feel free to chime in on the show. Give us a call here, 408-912-2479 if you wanted, and we could talk, or rather we can get more information for you guys also.
Absolutely. And this is a special dedication show that we are doing today, Bandhujan, for Saloni Heart Foundation. Again, we would like to reiterate the message of the founders of Saloni Heart Foundation, is that if you are aware of any child requiring support in India, you most definitely can refer them to Saloni Heart Foundation, especially with regard to their cardiac health. So the next thing
दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल में जगाया आपने दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल में जगाया आपने पहले तो बनाया आपने दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल में जगाया आपने दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल में जगाया आपने आपकी मदहोश नजरें कर रही हैं शायरी आपकी मदहोश नजरें कर रही हैं शायरी ये गजल मेरी नहीं ये गजल है आपकी मैंने तो बस वो लिखा जो कुछ लिखा आपने दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर दिल में
Hi, I'm Geeta and I have learned Carnatic music and I love all kinds of music, including Bollywood songs. Today I'll be singing Dil Ko Hazar Bar from the movie Murder. Saloni was a dear friend of my daughter and I'm very happy to support the Saloni Heart Foundation and the efforts of Millie and Himanshu. Please donate to the foundation generously. We miss you and love you, Saloni.
दिल को हजार बार रोका 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 दिल को हजार बार टोका 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 दिल है हवाओं का झोंका 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 दिल को बचाना धोखा ना खाना धोखा है प्यार यार प्यार है धोखा दिल को हजार बार रोका 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 दिल को हजार बार टोका 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 दिल है हवाओं का झोंका 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 दिल को बचाना धोखा ना खाना धोखा है प्यार यार प्यार है धोखा दिल को हजार बार रोका 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 ढूंढेगा कोई बहाना ढूंढेगा कोई निशाना हाँ ढूंढेगा कोई बहाना ढूंढेगा कोई निशाना दिल का बाजार है यहाँ तो दिल को दिलों से बचाना दिल को हजार बार रोका 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 दिल को हजार बार टोका 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 दिल है हवाओं का झोंका 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 दिल को बचाना धोखा ना खाना धोखा है प्यार यार प्यार है धोखा
God, dil ko hazar bar toka. Fatani, you always tokify me. I must be a dil for you, right? Seriously, I'm so
yes,
close to your
Altubaba,
heart.
you're the dill of the entire Bay Area.
Oh my!
But today it is not about you. It's about the Saloni Heart Foundation,
Yes.
Which is about the dills of so many beautiful children out there who possibly are suffering from some form of congenital heart disease or defect or any kind of an heart affliction back home in India. This is this organization that is raising funds here and supporting people back home in India. Now, without any further ado, we're going to go into another song by
Yeah, Mr. Sanjay, the rock star Sanjay. Just a
लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे दिल पर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे एक दिन आएगा प्यार हो जाएगा ओ मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में गिर जाओगे और भी मेरी परछाइयों में सोचोगे जब मेरे बारे में तन्हाइयों में गिर जाओगे और भी मेरी परछाइयों में ओ दिल मचल जाएगा प्यार हो जाएगा दिल पर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे
ने आपके दिल को पिघला दिया या फिर सलोनी हार्ट फाउंडेशन का जो स्टोरी है आपके दिल को पिघला दिया बंधुजान आप जाइएगा प्लीज़ टू saloniheartfoundation.org and give generously to this wonderful organization that's doing some incredible work back home in India. We're almost at the close of our show because we have very limited time. इतने सारे singers हैं इतना सारा collection है गानों का तो I think we ought to do this again. मिली जी क्या ख्याल है?
I love that thought. I think it's both an invitation to us and to our singers and to our listeners. Yes, let's do it again. And I, on behalf of Saloni Heart Foundation and its board, I would like to thank Radio Dehoties for giving us an opportunity to go on air, to all the vocalists who've contributed their time and talent for this cause, and all you listeners for giving us your attention. Thank you once again, and please donate. You can also double the impact of your donation by corporate matching. And the most important thing, please let your family and friends know that finally there is an organization that they can seek second opinion and make sure they are doing the right treatment for their children and be happy and confident. And thank you, and God bless you all.
And of course, let me one thing, Balujan. You should know one thing. There is somebody there to help you, and these are the guys. Help does not mean that financially. They also connect you with people who can actually help you with that as well. But most importantly, moral support and getting you connections to understand more about this problem and how we can actually deal with it is what you can get benefit from Saloni Heart Foundation. You, by contributing, are actually helping those families as well. So thank you so much. And going away, we actually have a song from one of our one of the bandhus of Saloni Heart Foundation. We heard a song before, right?
Yeah, Suparna Dangi ji, who we talked about, a very accomplished singer. Unki taraf se ye going away gana Banujan. If you need more information, you can go to saloniheartfoundation.org. Thank you so much, Millie ji, for joining us.
मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा सी आशा महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके है जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ चुनैया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा